and that's ask everywhere. So what that means is everywhere that you're connecting and corresponding with prospects and customers, on your website, any paper order forms, via customer service on the phone, in person at point of sale, in check-in if you're a hotel or something like that, social media. This list is wide-ranging beyond these topics here. It could include, trade shows, your email signature, direct mail pieces, even the guest Wi-Fi at your organization. Just about anywhere you connect with folks, you can ask for their email address. And 2A is improving your ask. So once you've kind of nailed down the ability to ask everywhere, then you can start taking steps to improve your ask. And there are 3 components to a solid ask. Number 1, you need to make it very easy for people to sign up. Number 2, you need to be able to communicate value quickly. And third, you also need to reassure folks that it's safe to share their information with you. That's kind of a slide of easy, beneficial, safe. So the first one is we talk about easy. The first component of a successful ask is making it easy for people to sign up. Anybody who knows me will tell you that I'm a very patient man. That patience definitely doesn't extend to online forms and email marketing. If you make it too difficult for me to sign up, or you make me try to jump through all kinds of hoops to get onto your list or sign up for your offering, I'm gone rather quickly. And here's just a quick example of a brand that gets easy right. I think Nike definitely does it well. They get the information that they need to deliver you the content that you want. They give you a quick confirmation that you're signed up and you're on your way. We really like that. The second tip is going to be beneficial. So you have to relay, again, that value really, really quickly, the value of signing up. And I think really what this boils down to is what's in it for me. The communication of the value proposition, that ongoing value exchange. People give you their email addresses voluntarily in exchange for something. So you really want to clearly explain what value you're going to offer through email. And here's a great example from one of our clients, Edible Arrangements. They definitely have the easy part nailed down. You enter your email address, click submit. They have the beneficial part nailed down. You get $5 off on your next purchase when you sign up today. Doesn't get much simpler or easier than that. A few more examples from CVS and Not Your Average Joe's that we like, that do a real good job of making it simple to sign up and really relaying what they're going to deliver to you in a clear and concise manner. Now, the third component of a successful ask, you want to make the subscriber feel safe giving you their email address. So what you really want to do is you want to let them know how you're going to use their email address and how you're going to protect their privacy. Again, pretty simple and straightforward. I think the other part of this is kind of honoring your promise to the client. So you're telling them what they're going to do, what you're going to do with their email address. You're going to protect their privacy. I think the next step is actually going ahead and doing that and sending them the offers and the emails and the information that they request, and not just blasting out everything that you send to your database to them. And these are just a couple quick examples of some brands and forms that reassure folks with a privacy policy, an ethics code, things of that nature.